Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you can't add comment on Facebook, so you just receive error when you try to add comment. So how you can fix it? So mostly it happen because Facebook just block your action for some time. And also how you can fix it, you just need to wait some time until Facebook will unblock your action. And also you can try to change your network. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data. So just change your network. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on Wi-Fi. So this is also the way how you can try to fix it. And also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have the error, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.